Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fiesta Mk7 headlight bulb using an easy method. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover everything from accessing the unit to safely replacing the bulb. You won't need any specialized tools, just a few common items from your toolbox. Let's get started with the first step. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. It's also crucial to have your new replacement bulb ready, ensuring it's the correct type for your Fiesta. For safety, always make sure your engine is off and all lights are switched off before you start working. This prevents any electrical issues. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get to removing the headlight unit itself. Look for the two retaining bolts located on the top of the headlight assembly. Use your T20 Torx bit to carefully unscrew and remove these bolts. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. It should slide out smoothly, giving you access to the bulb housing. With the headlight unit out, replacing the bulb is simple. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Next, you'll see a small retaining spring or clip holding the bulb in place. Unclip this carefully. Remove the old bulb and then insert your new one, making sure it's seated correctly and firmly. Reconnect the electrical connector.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.